Hello, my name is Joana Coutinho. I'm a researcher at the Neuropsychophysiology Lab at the School of Psychology, University of Minho, and we just finished this big project looking at the neurobiological correlates of empathy in couples relationships. The main aim of this project was to fill a gap in the literature in which most of social neuroscience studies performed at the moment on looking at the neural basis of empathy use experimental paradigms with fictional targets or imagined targets, or use instead common questionnaires, self-report measures of empathy. Our aim was to go a little bit further in this study and look at the neurobiological basis of interpersonal process as they occur in real interpersonal interactions. So we use the context of intimate relationships, couples relationships, and we had a sample composed by 72 individuals involved in a monogamous relationship with a minimum duration of 1 year, and they performed an interaction task in the lab in which we were measuring their cortisol levels, their heart rate and electrodermal activity while they were performing this discussion about positive and negative aspects of their relationship. Then, and this phase one of the study looking at the peripheral markers, then we used the video that was record of this interaction to create mini video vignettes that were used for the construction of an fMRI task. So in the second phase of the study, each element of the couple was in the scanner being exposed to video vignettes of the real partner expressing positive and negative communication. So we were measuring the brain activity while they were seeing their real partner, intimate partner. This study allows us to confirm the role of the default mode network, that is a very well-studied brain network at rest for dyadic empathy, and also allow us to see that brain areas more traditionally involved in affective empathy, more emotional brain areas, were more active when the participants were asked to focus on themselves, while brain areas more traditionally linked with cognitive empathy were more active while the participants were asked to be focused on the other experience. So this was a very demanding project that implied a very large data collection with real couples and the construction of fMRI paradigm specifically designed for each participant, which would only be possible with the support of BIAL Foundation, which I really want to thank for the possibility of, even for young researchers, that was my case 4 years ago and still is, but it was a very big opportunity for me, for the development of my career, and also to implement this very ambitious research project. If I had to define BIAL Foundation in a word, that would be going beyond.